Good day, ma'am. I am Donna May Torres Havana, 18 years old from La Paz, Agusan del Sur. I am Bethel Ed IA Section A. PowerPoint is a greater choice for users who prioritize advanced features, offline access, and extensive design customization. Google Slides is ideal for teams or individuals needing real-time collaborative features, cloud storage, and web-based accessibility. PowerPoint or PPT and Google Slides are both popular presentation software programs. PPT from Microsoft offers advanced features, offline access, and extensive design options. Google Slides, a cloud-based program, excels at real-time collaboration, cloud storage, and web accessibility. The best choice depends on the individual's needs. PPT suits users needing advanced features and offline work, while Google Slide is better for collaborative projects and offline access.